Hi, welcome to Fishin'Clip. So I'm on vacation. I'm at my cottage, which is in Ayers Cliff. I'm gonna go on the Massawippi Lake. I'm with my brother, who just popped in for a surprise visit.
Hey, how's it going?
And I get to go fishing. We got a little hour before he has to leave, so we're gonna go on the dock and we're gonna sight fish for sucker fish. And we got little kiddo fishing rods. Show them the rods. And so we're gonna try to spot them, and you gotta throw your worm right in their path, and if they pick it up, they give you a good little 30-second of fun action. So here we go. Oh, shoot. Got him! Oh yeah! Just a little guy. Oh yeah! Sucker fish. Bye! Oh nice. Those are the guys you gotta avoid. Oh. This guy's a goner anyways. Might as well keep him for lunch. My hands are so slimy. No! Small guys. Oh no! Pretty good pumpkin seed? Pumpkin seed or sunfish? The nose is different. I'm not sure. Alright, well if you're watching this, leave a comment on the bottom and tell me what it is. Pumpkin seed or sunfish?
Never need an anyone on the rising sun.
I got him! Oh! Not under the dock. Oh. I got my rod out. Yeah!
When life comes a knocking, you're knocking at your door. Knocking so hard it knocks to the floor. You gotta get up with your fists high.
Ah, I missed him.
Such a force that
Wait. Oh, you got him.
You were born on the rising sun. Rising sun.
Did you hook up? Good job. Whoa. Whoa. Ow. Sorry. I have it on film. Sorry, bro. All right. Got to go check on the kids. That was super fun. 2 for me, 1 for my brother. And a few little perch for lunch. Don't forget to subscribe. That was Fishin'Clip. I'm Max. We'll see you next time. Just on the side of the house. Oh! Oh non, je vais retourner là.